Welcome to Skills Afghan Cooking Channel. Let's go cook delicious snack. Yummy. Flour 2 cups. Coriander seeds 2 spoons. Chili pepper 2 spoons. Turmeric half a teaspoon. Salt 1 spoon. Mix. I write all names materials on video. You can get note from it and cook it. If you have any idea, take me comment. I love this snack recipe, and this special recipe is my mother's. So I want share with we because I want you enjoy of eat and cook my mother's easy recipe snack. Now mix it. Onion. Celery. Mix. Water. Mix. Try not to make the dough too watery or dry. After 10 meters is ready. Take some of the dough with a spoon and fry it on a low heat. It's better you want in fry snacks help. One of you can fry those and one of you can with spoon make the snacks circular. Continue frying. When it turns golden on both sides, take it out of the oil. Thanks if you likes and subscribe if you want to learn more these delicious and easy snacks and different foods, dessert and other. Don't forget subscribe and like my channel videos. Thanks. All is ready. Now is the time test. Cooked completely inside the snacks and absolutely delicious. I am going to prepare another video and I will come back with a great recipe